Hi there, students. A chameleon. A chameleon. So a chameleon, I'm sure you know, is a lizard. But this lizard changes the colour of its skin to match the surroundings so that it can't be seen. This is a method of disguise. So the background behind me is white. So if I just turned completely white, that would be a chameleon-like change. Okay, so a chameleon is this lizard, but we also use a chameleon to describe people. A person who is a chameleon is somebody who is changing their opinions to please the people around them. So I think very definitely politicians are chameleons. You ask them a question and their answer to the question will depend on what the people in the country or what the voters currently think about this, what makes them happy. So the politician is a political chameleon changing his opinions to suit the people that are going to vote, not through any real belief. Or a person who changes their behaviour in order to fit in. So a chameleon could change their behaviour or their opinions to fit in with a group of people. It's according to the situation. And I think all politicians are chameleons. I think it's one of the things of being a politician. But I don't think it's a good thing to be a chameleon, to change in order to please the people around you. I think this is a very negative thing, because then you are nobody. You are only a reflection of the society or the people around you, and therefore you are nothing. We could also use this word, a chameleon, for somebody who changes their image very, very rapidly. So I don't know, for example, maybe Madonna has been a chameleon. She's had many different types of character. Or David Bowie has been a chameleon, and he has come through many different roles and types. So it's here with various different images. Or perhaps somebody who does impressions with their face of people. They're a chameleon. They do one person, then it suddenly changes and into another. Now, people would say that a chameleon is adapting to the situation, and the lizard is adapting. As people, we need to adapt to new situations. We need to find a way to deal with them, but that's because we want to change. Whereas I think a chameleon only wants to imitate everyone else, to be the same as everyone else, and they don't want to show their true self, their true character. This is a chameleon, an inconstant person, and this, I think, this inconstancy, I think, is a very bad trait. So a chameleon, don't be such a chameleon. Chameleon-like, he agreed with everybody. That reminds me of a story. It's about Nasruddin, who's the judge, and he listens to this case between two people, and the plaintiff looks at him, and Nasruddin says, "I agree with you, you're absolutely right." And then Nasruddin looks at the defendant and says, "I agree with you, you're absolutely right." And I think clearly in this case he's being a chameleon. He's following the opinion of each person that he's with. So, formality, a chameleon. I think I'm going to give this a 6 in formality. I think maybe you could use it anywhere. It's probably best in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, but I think you could use it anywhere. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from Old French Chameleon, which itself comes from ancient Greek through Latin, chameleon, chamai, earth, and leon, a lion. So the lion of the earth, the lion of the ground. Anyway, or maybe even it comes from Arcadian, chameleon-like reptile, lion of the ground. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Chameleon.